everyone, welcome back. So, in something very bad is going to happen, one of the most disturbing and meaningful details isn't just the horror or the curse, it's the foxes. From a dead fox in a bathroom to a mutilated one that somehow survives, these moments aren't random. They quietly explain Rachel's entire story. The first time we see a fox, it's already dead, stuffed into a toilet in a restaurant. And it gets worse. The fox was pregnant and the unborn babies are still moving. It's shocking, but it's also symbolic. Later, we learn that Rachel's mother, Ali, died while pregnant with her right after realizing she had married the wrong man. Rachel was literally cut out of her mother's corpse. That horrifying fox scene mirrors Rachel's origin story, a trapped mother, a forced birth, and a life that begins in trauma. The second fox appears during a hunt led by Nicky and his family. Their goal is to kill a fox, preserve it, and display it as a trophy. That alone reveals how they see the world. Nicky eventually traps a fox, but it escapes by chewing off its own paw. It's brutal, but it survives. This directly reflects Rachel's situation. Her relationship with Nikki is built on lies, and she's pushed into a marriage she never truly wanted. The moment she says yes, she's essentially trapped by him and by the family curse. But just like the fox, Rachel escapes, not unharmed, not whole, but alive and free. So why a fox? Because foxes aren't just prey, they are also predators. They are clever, elusive, and often misunderstood. That's exactly how Rachel is seen. She believes she is flawed, difficult, even bad, while Nicky presents himself as perfect but secretly views her as something to control and tame. Foxes carry that same reputation, beautiful but tricky, desirable but dangerous, and that's the point. The show uses Fox to criticize a certain kind of marriage, one where love isn't about partnership but possession, where the goal isn't connection but capture. In the end, the fox isn't just a symbol of Rachel's suffering, it's a symbol of her survival. She may not escape untouched, but like the fox in the forest, she refuses to become someone else's trophy. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.